Hi, I'm Himanshu and I'm welcoming you to this walkthrough. I will introduce you to the lightweight feedback system, a full stack app for structured feedback between managers and employees. It uses a fast API backend, a React frontend with Material UI, SQL Alchemy for the database, and JWT for authentication. The system supports feedback creation, dashboard comments, tag notification, and PDF export. So this is a project folder, and this uses like a classic client server architecture, and the backend, which is written in Python with fast API, handles all the business logic and data storage and authentication part, while front end handles user interface and communicates with the backend via REST APIs. So first let's go to the backend folder. So here is a main py. So this file initialized with the fast API app sets up codes so the front end can talk to the backend and introduce all the routers for different features. It is starting point for backend server. And the models py is like here. Here are the SQL Alchemy models that defines our database tables. The user models support both managers and employees. Feedback is linked to both manager to or and an employee. There are also models for tags and comments, allowing feedback to be categorized and discussed. So this is the code, and this is schemas. Like this, Py- Pydantic schemas define the shape of the data for request and response. This ensures that all the data sends to and from the API is validated and well structured. For example, you can say like the feedback schemas, especially specify required fields and types for feedback creation and retrieval. Okay. Okay. Here is a feedback.py. This router handles all feedback relationship related endpoints, creating, listing, updating, and commenting on feedback. It uses dependency injection to ensure only authorized user can perform certain actions, and it includes robust error handling methods also. Okay, this try and catch methods. So now this is a dashboard py. This router aggregates data from dashboards. Manager can see team wide status, while employees can see their own feedback history, as I shown in front end video that I have sent, and the sentiments breakdown also. And there, the endpoints are protected so the users can see data relevant to their role only. Okay, so this is the code, and their auth.py. Authentication is handled with JWT tokens and hashing. There are helpful functions to check user roles and protect sensitive endpoints, ensuring only authorized user can access certain features. Okay, now we will go to front end tool. So this is an entry point, okay, for React app. As you know that it sets up all the routes, including protected routes with that require logins. The layout and navigation are defined there, and access is controlled based on the user roles. So this is auth context.js. Uh, this is the file that mainly authentication state is managed globally using React context. This file handles login, logout, token storage, and user info. This like it ensures that users stay logged in across page reloads, and that the token is sent with every API request. Okay, you can see the code also, and I will share this in GitHub also. And this is API.js. This service is centralized for API calls. It manages like authentication, headers, error handling, and provides function for each backend endpoint. This keeps the rest of the front end code clean and focused UI. So there are some pages also like this, like dashboard.js. This fetches and display metrics from the backend. Managers can see the team stats while employees can see their own feedback. The page uses chart.js for visualization and material UI for the layout also. So now this is the create feedback page. So this page provides a form of managers to submit feedback. It includes field of strengths, areas to improve sentiments, that all the things that you give in assignment. The form validates input and show errors if needed. So this is so now let's go to what are the reusable components here, and you can see that feedback card that displays feedback details in a consistent formats, and here is a tag selector that lets user to add and remove tags from feedback. These are the reusable components that help the UI consistent. So this is a feedback export button. What it does that user can export feedback to the PDF with a single click. The feedback feature uses a client-side library to generate a formatted PDF, including all the details in mentioned in the feedback. So this is a walkthrough of codebase, and after that, this is an application where I already shown this in another video. Thank you for watching.